to G-Tech. On this short, we ask the question, why match emitter resistors on a power amplifier, and how do we go about doing that? Well, let's get right into it. These are all 33 milliohm resistors at 5% tolerance. Because of that tolerance, they are not all the same value. In high-powered amplifiers like the Phase Linear 700 Series 2, this matters. Unmatched emitter resistors can cause uneven current sharing and possibly the costly failure of output transistors when the amplifier is driven hard. Simply measuring a low-value resistor with an ohm meter is not sufficient to accurately match resistors for an output transistor bank. The best practices way to match low-value resistors is to run a current through them and measure the voltage drop across the resistor to deliver 1 amp in constant current mode. I have the output set to 3 volt DC. In theory, according to Ohm's law, with 1 amp of current running through the resistor, the voltage I measure across it will be the actual resistor value. My measurements are lower, and that is due to the power supply lead resistance. But for all practical purpose, this will work. Even the emitter resistor leads make a difference in this measurement. I attach the power supply clips on those leads at the body of the resistor. I also attach the voltmeter directly to the power supply clip leads. I then rotate the body of the resistor to make sure of a good connection and watch the voltmeter for fluctuations. I then wait for 1 minute to allow the resistor time to warm up. In a minute, the value changes from 1 to 2 millivolts. That is fine for our measurements as long as we keep all these constants the same for all measured resistors. I then write the value on the body of the resistor using a 5mm lead pencil. My goal is to match each bank of output transistors with emitter resistors measured at a maximum of 1% tolerance. Here's a sheet showing what I came up with. Our worst case scenario is bank 4. Those resistors are matched to 0.34%, better than the 1% spec I was aiming for. The other 3 banks range from 0.03 to 0.06%. Excellent. We now have our matched emitter resistors. I'm doing a series of a major upgrade of my Phase Linear 700 Series 2. These resistors are going to be going into that. Thank you for watching, and if you like this episode, hit the like and the subscribe buttons. I'd much appreciate it, and we look forward to having you with me on the next series of episodes. Thank you. It's a wrap.